On. First, let's prepare our bracket. Little spacers for the bracket, and bolts for the bracket. Special little bolts for the bracket. 5mm by 16 with a shoulder washer, and 5mm by 40mm bolts. Let's prepare the bracket. The spacers have an adhesive washer. Let's peel that off. Use our bolt as a guide. Apply that adhesive washer. Get our little tape off there. And apply our spacer with the adhesive washer. Bracket's ready. This is the little 5mm by 16 bolt with the spacer shoulder washer. Will go here. Let's set that aside. Now let's take off the air intake tube. You'll notice I have all my body panels off because I'm also doing the 12,000 mile service, and we'll put in a new air filter soon, like today. You need some Torx drivers, whatever you have, T20, T25, and T30. Let's go with a T20. Let's take off our air intake tube. Camera babe, if you'll get way down here below, and there's one little T20 screw that holds the air intake tube. Let's pop that out. I know it's rather dark up in this area. Air intake screw. Air intake tube comes right out with a bit of persuasion. It's got a little tab right here that likes to hold it in. That needs to be persuaded to come loose. There's also one. Give that a little twist and work it up. Little tab on the bottom too. So let's set our intake tube. Set that aside. Okay. 3 bolts must be removed. T30 and T25, and these will not be reused. They will be replaced with Clearwater supplied bolts. Let's take out the T30s. Whatever type of T30 driver you have. We'll start it, and I'll do a little cheater on this one.
But VPN unable to connect. Something messages come through.